In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Wingstop coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Wingstop coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called coupons.com and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, we want to get this $2 discount on the regular veggie sticks. So all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get deal. And for this one, there is no code needed. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says go to the store and you'll be redirected to their website where the promotion will be applied automatically. Also, we have right here this website, which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here on this website, we have some promo codes as well that we can use to get some discount. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply select the copy button in order to copy the promo code, and you can use this one to get the 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.